So, Maki, I'm going to ask you to think of a song. Ano yung song?
Sabrina Carpenter, Espresso.
So, meron akong tinype sa Spotify. Mali ka dito. Thank you very much! My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. Ay, reminder pala sa akin to. Think of a song. Sinong merong Spotify sa inyo? Pahiram ng Spotify. Lapit ka dito, punta ka dito. What's your name?
Lobby po.
Ha?
Lobby.
Lobby? Okay, so meron lang isa-search dito. Hihinaan ko muna yung volume para may surprise mamaya. Okay, ikaw lang muna makakaalam. Okay? Ilalak ko muna yung phone mo. Tapos itago mo lang. Okay? Wag mo i-pause ha. Hayaan mo lang yan na nagpi-play. Okay? Sige po ka muna, Lobby. Ay, Maki, ito na yung gagawin mo, Maki. Think of a song. Kanina reminder sa akin to, reminder naman sa ito, Maki. So, Maki, I'm going to ask you to think of a song. Ano yung song?
Sabrina Carpenter, Espresso.
Sir, alam niyo ba yung song na yun? Yeah? Kantayin niyo nga. Alam mo, sobrang saya ko na yun yung pinili mong song. Sabrina Carpenter, Espresso. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi hindi lang to reminder. Reminder rin to para sa lahat. Kasi sabi, think of a song that has something to do. Nababasa nyo? Yes. With? Also, I was thinking of a song kanina pa, and to make sure na walang mag-iiba ng song na inisip ko, meron akong tinype sa Spotify. Mali ka dito. Lakasan natin yung volume. Thank you very much! Good evening, everybody. My name is Justin Piñon. Yes!